Get your makeup brushes ready. We're getting ready to do some makeup. If you're not prepping your skin in 2023, then you need to reevaluate your makeup routine. I love treating my skin with Charlotte Tilbury. So I take the glow toner so I can smooth and rebalance my skin. And then I take the magic serum so I can plump, refine my pores. And of course, the cherry on top, which is the magic cream. I can't live without it. It literally gives me the glow that I want. Any eye cream, I love warming up with my fingertips. It's going to really help melt the product in. And then this metal tip, honey, it's amazing. I take the Got To Be glue gel and work it into my brows so I can get them nice and prepped. So when I do put my brow pencil on, they're going to stay nice and fluffy. I'm going to take the Charlotte Tilbury Hollow Flawless filter and I'm going to give myself the glow from within. I'm going to put this on my high cheekbones and blend it in with the hourglass brush. You cannot deny this angelic glow. Like, look at it. It's gorgeous. Don't come to me about this primer. I've already said it before in my last video. I love it. I'm sorry. I spent my money on it and I'm not throwing it away. You can't deny that it's not smoothing out my pores. Wisafani has one of the best eye pencils that I've tried. It's very unique and innovative. It's more of a rounded tip, which I love because it's really going to help me with my arch and it's going to give me the hair strokes that I want. Straight into my favorite foundation. I know she's a skin tint, but honey, for me, the Glossier Skin Tint is a beautiful foundation for anyone that doesn't want a lot of coverage on their face. So don't come at me because it is a foundation. It gives you a soft, focused glow to your skin and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. Do you see the dimple? I mean the glow? You will never catch me without shadow primer, and the Urban Decay Shadow Primer Potion is elite. It helps keep my shadow on longer, even though I'm only using one shadow today, which is going to be a little bit of blush from one size only, and it's called That Beach. I'm going to put that in my crease, and that's going to be my shadow for today. I'm going to use the CoverGirl Brown Eyeliner. I'm obsessed with this eyeliner. It's one of the mattest eyeliners I've ever used, and it stays on all day. And one thing I'm not going to do for the internet is mess up my cat eyes. Sorry, I had to turn off the camera and do it off camera. I wanted to create a modernized Marilyn Monroe look, so I took the Flawless filter and I drew a line underneath my cat eyes so I can open my eyes and give my eyes more of that sultriness. And then I'm going to clump my mascara on to give me that false eyelash look. I don't care if the mascara is clumpy. I love it because it just makes my lashes look fake. Patrick Star got your girl being a blush gal again. So all I do is press it on my apples of my cheek and I put a little bit on the tip of my nose. And honey, I've been obsessed with this Flawless lip gloss. It is phenomenal. What do you guys think?